This is Billy. Billy is a ninja with a problem. He's running late for his ninja duties and needs a quick breakfast solution. Enter the microwave egg hack. First, Billy cracks an egg into a microwave-safe bowl. He adds a splash of milk and a pinch of salt for flavor. Using a fork, he whisks it all together like a true ninja master. To prevent any explosions, Billy covers the bowl with a microwave-safe plate. He pops it into the microwave and sets the timer for about 1 minute. In no time, Billy has a fluffy, perfectly cooked egg ready to fuel his ninja adventures. With this hack, Billy never skips breakfast. Try it and be a breakfast ninja like Billy.